Hello everyone, this is John Robert reporting for Money Borders. How are the markets doing today? Is less than number 0.9, is greater than. Yields on 10 and 30-year US Treasury bonds fell nearly 10 basis points, as investors processed weaker than expected macroeconomic indicators. The 10-year yield settled around 4.36%, its lowest level since May 9. But one piece of news did bring a positive reaction. The Federal Reserve lifted a $1.95 trillion asset cap on Wells Fargo, ending a 7-year penalty that restricted the bank's growth. This marks a major victory for CEO Charlie Scharf, who has been restructuring the company since 2019. Wells Fargo stock rose 2.7% in after-hours trading, with investors anticipating expansion in credit cards, wealth management, and commercial banking. The Fed's unprecedented restriction was imposed in 2018 after a series of scandals, including the creation of millions of fake accounts. In its statement, the Fed said Wells had made substantial progress in governance and risk management. Scharf called the decision a pivotal milestone and announced a $2,000 bonus for all full-time employees to commemorate the moment. Now, shifting to another major headline, Elon Musk has sharply criticized the Trump administration's latest budget proposal. On social media, Musk called the plan unsustainable and financially irresponsible, warning of a self-destructive fiscal spiral. He argued that rising military spending and industrial subsidies without meaningful cuts or tax reform would only deepen the debt crisis. Musk also accused the government of using stimulus measures for short-term political gain, stating, "The future is being mortgaged to fund decisions that help special interests, not the American people." Wall Street analysts took note. Many are now questioning whether the current fiscal path will worsen uncertainty, especially as the Fed may have to maintain high interest rates for longer than expected. Is less than number 0.9, is greater than. How are the markets doing today? Is less than number 0.9 is greater than. Hello everyone, this is John Robert reporting for NewsArc. Let's take a quick look at the top movers in global stock markets. Is less than number 0.9 is greater than. This is John Robert reporting for Money Borders.